Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to splice videos in Davinci Resolve. It's very easy, let's get started. Firstly, let's add the second clip. Okay, now we need to make one video higher than the other video. To do it, just move this video to track video 2. And now let's transform the second video. Okay, after that, turn on the inspector at the upper right corner of the screen. Now go to video tab, scroll down a little bit, and now we need to change the opacity value. Just move the slider to the left. As you can see, our second clip has become less transparent, that's good, but now we need to change the composite mode right here. I suggest you to experiment with this setting. In my case, I think the greatest mode is add. Okay, and good, let's see the result. That's all for today. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much, bye!